How to celebrate Christmas. Christmas is one of those holidays that just seem to be each and onde. Whether you are celebrating a secular or religious Christmas, your day is sure to be with happiness, especially with a little help from Vikio. Read some steps on how to celebrate a secular, religious, kid-friendly, or consumer-free Christmas after Tejmp. Happy holiday. Celebrating a secular Christmas. Spreache. When you hear Christmas song, instead of un grumpy smile and whistle, ben cheerful during the Christmas season really will help in spreading Christmas spirit to those around you, plus it help you enjoy it more too. Wish a Merry Christmas if you cannot celebrate Christmas. If you're not sure, just say Happy holiday. Either way, you are spreading a holiday she. Enjoy your country's Christmas tradition. Lay yourself a kid again and enjoy holiday spirit. Whether it's living cookie out for Santa Claus, watching for Baba Noel out the window, or living your cloak bit fear for Santa, indulging a little holiday tradition en giving tout magique. Do some research about Christmas custom around the world. There are some great books that describe the tradition en give additional recipe craft project. Webby also a great resource for seeking out new and exciting tradition on your recipe. Go to a local cultural center to learn about for Christmas custom. Many museums and library hold special holiday event and exhibit for the family to attend. Some Christmas tree festival feature the usual tree decade out in ethnic ornament and decor. Do a little holiday team travel. You can also research holiday custom of American past. Christmas custom of year gone by are pretty much different to those of today. Popcorn and bar oblique or cranberry garland trading a custom tie da Victorian team. Before the glass ball in American holiday display, camped ornament made of paper and cornusk. Manimo on fashionné granidol yarn doll for their daughter. Pick up and of the custom to put a twist on your modern celebration. Some custom over no really practical or safe. Don't pu candles on tree. You can use safe electric candle instead. Using real fruit or edible item can be expensive and vied bioterre a waste of food. Select artificial or inaudible on instead. Decorative rose for Christmas. The possibility for decorating are nearly endless. Plus Christmas light on your rose. En mistletoe in the doorway, particularly if you cannot a special summon coming away, en a home made vrai at on your door, or plus Christmas figurine like Santa or Rudolph out on your counter. Buy and decorate a Christmas tree. Go with your family to your local Christmas tree farm to cue your own or to allow saying procure Christmas tree. Pick out a Christmas tree for your rose. After you've gotten your tree situated, write in light ambeugin engine ornament. Don't forget to water it occasionally and safeguard from pay. You can decorate your tree with family heirloom ornament or tree something newbie decorating a tree with Star Trek or superhero made ornament, or with little pleutrin, or with din character for example. It is really up to you be a creative or traditional you like. Join up with friends en family. For many people, Christmas is a big gathering with friends en family to enjoy a toter company and celebrate holiday. Day a national holiday en most folk get a day off work. Take advantage of the time to reconnect with friends en family. Create your own tradition or celebrate with the tradition that have been passed down in your family. Invite your friends or family over for Christmas dinner. Make it a potluck if you want to keep expense, and workload, manageable. Important in just to get to jeter with people you love and make it with a little clever maybe sharing the warmth of caring with them. Consider making a traditional Christmas dinner complete with roast turkey, or create your own tradition by branching out and making whatever you want. Go Christmas caroling. It vita your home, go door to door, or go to an old folk commando it. Learn some Christmas or seasonal song, en signe. Even, and even if your voice is angry, hopefully, You ombe Saint-Génial on you'll get some cove from your mortal haunted friend. If you can't go caroling for some reason, blast Christmas music through your house, will you wrapping present, or during your Christmas party. For some Gidia, Trisong like frosted snowman, Holly jolly Christmas, Sylvie Bell, Valkynie Naui Intero Onderland, jingle bell, lit le drummer boy, let it snow, rites beginning to look a like Christmas. Watch Christmas movie. Have a movie night during which you invite friends or family over en servo apple cider en popcorn or cocoa en cookie. Play Christmas movie like hot Grinch stole Christmas, it sao wonderful life, a Christmas story. Santa Apprentice or in beof of seasonal movie. Do a jeune act. In the spirit of spreading joy, kindness, but it en love during the Christmas season. My you can volonté à homeless shelter, some vintage décoration à ordonnate some of your invented décoration to a thrift shop, drops par change à tot local charity drive bucket, help out someone with decorating like doint très fort en putting, put do or light, or maybe you could help with a local toy drive or food drive photos who have less than you do. Consider giving gift wrapped in love live wrapping paper. You don't have to spend big buck on gift, small token are fine. Some family enjoy giving gift to on a note to show their appreciation for on a note. You can buy gift or make them yourself. Lire no to become expert gift wrapper. Gâter around the Christmas tree with your family on Christmas morning en exchange gift. Or, si bit fear with your loved on en enjoy Christmas to gt. Do something fun with your family outdoor. Turn nothing fun to do on a Christmas night tant to valcor drive around ton en egg borrowed looking a local decoration. Id don to be or to local park. In area o erit snow, go sledding or be la snowman. If there no snow, bindle upango on a valcoric with your loved on. It salvegrea to get out of the uzambreatint fresh air. If you live in Australia, New Zealand, South Africa or the country in the southern hemisphere, your Christmas is likely to be warm. Give you the opportunity to get outdoors and appreciate the beauty of nature and enjoy some of your Christmas days swimming, walking, resting on the grass or playing a game outside the gt. Be sure to wear sunscreen à hâte. Del with scroge gracefully. If someone select cancel Christmas celebration or something else negative, simply say something disarming, like, sorry you don't enjoy the holiday. You're still welcome to come enjoy us for today if you have go any place else to go. No matter what react, just blow them off a kindly as possible and continue your celebration, showing compassion to the poor Scrooge. Also, try and setting from their point of view. Ask them if they are going to get to team or what it have a specific problem. Don't be quick to judge. En ion can get holiday blues and become a Scrooge. Remember une fortunate thing don't a holiday event during a holiday season. Anion can still experience problem with relationship or more work bar oblique school. Ten ankito be very emotional team bomb. Some timmy addit int familiar to a loved on. FT bill can cause many people on holiday to feel anxious. En i person can have a burnout or mental meltdown from having to do alt extra core, shopping and decorating with to help. If a certain element of Christmas set off angry, sad, or emotional reaction try to eliminate ta factor from the scrooge life if possible. Put yourself in scrooge shoe would you fell in a bar oblique situation. If a tradition start upsetting you or anyone in your life feel free to adjust them or to omit them. Compromise, discuss and negotiate. Entier family or individual with un magro out or bored of family tradition, decor and custom. Trio or suggest some of the way to celebrate Christmas in the article for a Scrooge.